All right, keep, change, flip. Keep 10 elevenths. Change division to, and flip 5 sixths to 6 fifths. Now, can we simplify any before we multiply? What can we simplify? The 10 and the 5. All right, Josh, what can I divide 5 and 10 by? 5. 5 divided by 5 is? Justin, 5 divided by 5 is? 1. Caitlin, 10 divided by 5 is? 2. Thank you, Josh. So, 2 times 6 is? 12. 11 times 1 is? Can I leave it like that? Nope. Go divide. How many times will 11 go into 12? Always leave that as your whole number. Always write the remainder as your numerator. How many are left? And your denominator stays the same. Is that an option at the top? It sure is. So where you see 1 and 1/11, you need to write a G at the top, okay? All right, I want you to look at R. Right here. It's right above G. Sir?
Somehow I used the wrong formula and ended up with the right answer.
Did you not simplify before you multiplied? That's probably what you did. And that's okay. You got the same answer. All right, so what do we need to do first here?
Put a 1 under it.
And how do I make the 10 a fraction? Put a 1 under it, okay? Now, what do I do? Keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep our 10 over 1. Change division to multiplication. And flip 1/4 to 10 times 4 is 1 times 1 is. So, what's my answer? 40. Josh. Is 40 an answer up there? Yes. If I have 10 brownies, okay? 10 brownies.
No, but on the first one, you did cross multiplication, right? You did
No.
Yeah, but you would you can't do that for the
The first one I could simplify crossways. This one I can't. You don't have to simplify crossways. You do not. All right, I want you to look up at the top in the middle, and I want you to do O. All by yourself. O.
Which one?
Oh, what a beautiful morning. All right, Josh, what's my first step? All right, what do I have to do to my 7? Put a 1 under it. Now I can what? Keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep 7 over 1. Change division to and flip 5/6 to 6/5. Can I simplify before I multiply? No, I cannot. So 7 times 6 is 1 times 5 is. Go divide. How many groups of 5 are in 42? Leave that as your whole number. How many are left over? Always put your remainder on top and your denominator stays the same. You got it right? Woohoo! I want you to do T by yourself. Yes. Stop, please. I'm going to get there in just a second. All right. A lot of y'all did your work like this, okay? When you did not simplify before you multiplied, okay? And y'all, that's okay. But the tricky part is many of you got here and you didn't know what to simplify by, okay? And remember, if you can add the digits, it's a multiple of 3, then it's divisible by 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, so that one's divisible by 3. 4 plus 5 is, so that one's divisible by 3. Okay, that's how I knew. You could have also simplified before you multiplied, because 3 and 9 are multiples of what? 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 1 times 11 is 11. 5 times 3 is 15. So you would not have had to simplify, but that's just a personal preference, okay? You just have to be careful either way you do it. All right, let's look at A. What do we have in A? Yeah, what? That's not a whole number. In A, what do we have? Right here, this A. This A right here. What is this, y'all? A mixed number. So what are we going to have to do to the mixed number? Change it to an improper fraction. So we're going to have 7/10 divided by, CJ, are you with me?
Why are we dividing?
Because I can't change it yet, because I've got to change that mixed number to an improper fraction. 8 times 2 is, plus 5 is, now what can I do? Keep 7/10, change division to multiplication, and flip. What should we do before we go any farther? because this is going to be some big numbers. You got the 56 over 210. Who wants to do that math? Not me. So can we simplify 8 and 10? What can I divide 8 and 10 by? 2. 8 divided by 2 is
4,
10 divided by 2 is
5.
what about 7 and 21? What can I divide those two by?
7.
7. 7 will go into 7 how many times?
1,
And how many times will it go into 21?
4, 3.
3.
I tried counting the 1, but all I did was add an 8.
So 1 times 4 is 5 times 3 is. Now, doesn't that look a whole lot better than 56 over 210? Yes, way better.
It's kind of weird how all the colors they mix.
How the what?
All the colors and the ones you just mix. Okay, y'all just do them.
Okay.
Everything is.
All right, I want you to do E. What's your first step? Okay, you have a mixed number, so you've got to change it to an improper fraction. So do that first. Both of them. Erase this. Y'all, your first step, you've got to change your mixed number to improper fraction. Before you can go any further, change your mixed number to an improper fraction. No. 4 times 10 is 40. Plus 3 is 43 is on the top. Keep your denominator. All right, listen. Y'all are forgetting simple stuff, okay? When you change a mixed number to an improper fraction, you are making it mad. Multiply, add, denominator stays the same, okay? So, we multiply 4 times 10 is
4 times 10 is
40. Add 3 is 43. Denominator stays the same. Same thing for 6 1/2. We have to make it mad. Multiply, add, denominator stays the same. 2 times 6 is
2 times 6 is 12,
plus 1 is
13.
13 over 2. Okay? Denominator stays the same. Multiply, add, denominator stays the same. Now we can keep, change, flip. So keep, change division to multiplication, and flip. Do these look like some big numbers? What's wrong, Justin?
I got confused when you got 13. Like,
Because 2 times 6 is,
12.
plus 1 is,
Oh. See, I put 6 plus 2 and then.
no, multiply, add.
Uh,
Multiply, add. Okay, 2 and 4, can I simplify those? Yep. What can I divide 2 and 4 by?
Oh.
2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 43 times 1 is 2 times 13 is 26. Can I leave it like that? How many times will 26 go into 43?
2.
1. 43 minus 26 is what?
8? No. 17.
Is that an option up top?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I want you to do V.
Wait, I don't see 17.
Hmm? I'm coming.
I don't see 17.
It's down the middle. It's into the left. Oh, I see the left.
You saw your 4th letter wrong. Oh, I see.
V right here at the bottom in the middle. First, you've got to make your mixed numbers mad. You've got to multiply, add, denominator stays the same. Multiply, add, denominator stays the same. 9 times 1 is, plus 7 is, denominator stays the same. Nope. We took that away. Keep that.
You want to just do it regularly now?
Now you can do it, keep, change, flip. Alright, keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So write your letters on the top. Keep, change, flip. No, here, son. Keep, change, flip. Change starts with C. Plus 7 is. Yep, 16. 16 on the top, 9 on the bottom. Now, change this to multiplication. Flip this one. Look at you go! Did you get that before me? All right. The rest of this sheet is multiplying fractions, okay? The other side is multiplying and dividing, okay?